Hello guys, Rohit Hobby Dude here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an overhead tank alarm using Quad Robotics STEM Learning Kit. First, you need some wires, the water sensor, a buzzer, and the Q box processor, and a battery holder. First, we need to take two jumper wires, a piece which is with the water sensor, and connect them both as like this. Now that's done, let's go to the next step. The water sensor to the Q box processor. We have to connect three wires to VCC, GND, and AD. Let's do that now. Now we need to connect VCC on the sensor to VCC on the processor. Now I'm going to connect it. And we need to connect GND to GND on the processor. And to AD on the sensor to A1 on the processor. Let's turn it on. As you can see, the light is glowing, so we can say that it's on. Now let's put some water on the sensor. Let's put some more water. As you can see, the buzzer is making a noise, which means that there is water. Thank you and bye. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share. If you like this video, you can comment for more other videos.